Hello everyone, welcome to Oliveboard. So in this video we will be learning 5 new words of the day for today, which is 9th of April 2019. This is the daily vocabulary booster by Oliveboard. Before we start with the video, don't forget to take up a free mock test for any bank or government examination that you are preparing for by clicking on the link given to you in the description box. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such videos. So we start with the first word for today, which is archipelago. It is ARCHIPELAGO, which means an extensive group of islands, or it is a sea or stretch of waters having many islands. So we know we have Andaman and Nicobar Islands, we have Lakshadweep Islands, so these are all archipelagos. We'll check the usage. The Indonesian archipelago has a very low population density, which means that those particular group of islands have very less or very few people staying there. We have the next term, that is coherence, which is COHERENCE, which means the quality of being logical and consistent. That means we are thinking logically or practically, and we are consistent with thinking in that particular order. So few of the synonyms are consistency, logicality, good sense, soundness, or organization. We will check the usage. They have struggled to create coherence within the group. That means now we know a group should consist of people who think in the same order or same manner. So they should have logical thinking and consistency throughout. Hence, whenever we have a group, to maintain that particular group or the thinking of all the members of that group, we need to struggle. That is where we use the term coherence. The next term is fiery. It is FIERY, which means having a passionate and quick-tempered nature. Okay, so few of the synonyms are passionate, impassioned, ardent, or fervent. Now we'll check the usage. The sun was a fiery ball low on the hills. That means it was passionate enough during that is possible only either during the sunrise or during the sunset. So hence we compare the sun or the nature of the sun as passionate and quick-tempered nature. The next term is gauntlet, or GAUNTLET, which means a part of a glove which covers the wrist or covering the wrist. So few of the synonyms are armor, glove, or challenge. So we are trying to cover the wrist. Okay. So the usage is she had to run the gauntlet of male autograph seekers. So it means that someone had to run, or a celebrity had to run, because there were a lot of autograph seekers. So she tried to cover herself. And the last term for today is hobble, which is HOBBLE, which means walk in an awkward way, typically because of pain from an injury. So in case you've got injured and you've still got pain and you're not able to walk well, that is when you walk in an awkward manner. So the synonym is walk with difficulty, move unsteadily. So you're not moving very steadily or say in a certain manner. So the usage is he was hobbling around his crutches. That means that he could not walk around well, and that is why he was hobbling around. Well, those were the 5 new words we learned today. I hope you liked the video. Do share it with your friends and help them improve their vocabulary. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such videos. Thank you.